friends, let us now learn some important points about the measurement of enzyme activity. How are you going to measure the enzyme activity? If you see this measurement of enzyme activity, number 1, you have one method which is unit of enzyme activity. What is unit of enzyme activity? It is the amount causing transformation of 1 mole molecule, transformation of 1 micromole of a substance per minute at 25 degrees Celsius. So amount causing transformation of 1 micromole of a substance per minute at 25 degrees Celsius. So this is measured in moles of substrate disappeared per minute. It is measured in moles of substrate disappeared per minute. Okay, this is unit of enzyme activity. Second, we have specific activity. How is specific activity measured? This specific activity is measured by number of enzyme units that are used per milligram of substrate. How much enzyme units does a milligram of substrate use? That is specific activity. Or milligram of protein, you can say. That is specific activity. It is actually the measure of enzyme purity. If the enzyme is pure, then the mole will be the specific activity. Okay, next, third. Third is we have turnover number. What is turnover number? Turnover number refers to number of substrate molecules which are transformed per unit time. Substrate molecules transformed into products per unit time by single enzyme molecule at single catalytic site. By single enzyme molecule is called as turnover number. So, if you were asked what is the enzyme with maximum turnover number, maximum turnover number is present in catalase. So, this is called as fastest enzyme. Then if you were asked what is the second fastest enzyme, second maximum turnover number is present for carbonic anhydrase. And which has least turnover number? Least turnover number is present for lysozyme. So this is about the turnover number. Thank you.